The Commonwealth is a group of independent states from all corners of the globe. Any nation may seek to join the Commonwealth, regardless of its relationship to Britain's colonial history, because of the organization's historical ties to the British Empire. The United Kingdom is one of the 54 member nations of the Commonwealth. Commonwealth, or Commonwealth of Nations, is an informal grouping of independent governments that includes the United Kingdom and some of its former dependents, that have chosen to keep friendly and cooperative connections with Britain and recognize the British monarch as the group's symbolic leader. There was a natural progression from the British Empire into the Commonwealth. As the empire abandoned mercantilism, it also began implementing a responsible government in some areas of Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and Ireland in the middle to late 19th century. This was a system where the governor could only act in domestic matters on the advice of ministers, enjoying the confidence of the elected chamber. Despite their dependence, these nations exercised increasing levels of sovereignty, with only the British vetoing any significant expansions of government. To be treated as autonomous communities within the British Empire, equal in status, in no way subordinate one to another in any aspect of their domestic or external affairs, though united by a common allegiance to the Crown, and freely associated as members of the British Commonwealth of Nations, as the Imperial Conference of 1926 declared. The conclusions taken at that and a following meeting were formalized in the Statute of Westminster, 1931, which gave each dominion authority over its own internal and international affairs and the freedom to create its own diplomatic corps.